Yeah. Okay. Hey, Jean, my friends are here now. I need to go. Yeah. I do. I miss you too. Okay, we'll talk soon. Love you. Bye. Hi, side by side friends. I was just talking to my neighbor, Jean. I miss seeing her, and so I thought I'd give her a call. I was telling her about the video I just watched of Teacher Kelly, and she talked all about celebrations and the people that we love. So I wanted to tell Jean how much I love her. I also, did you guys notice this necklace that I'm wearing today? My kids made this for me a long time ago, and every time I wear it, I think how much they love me and how much I love them. I wonder if I could make a necklace for my neighbor Jean. Oh, I think she would love it, but I don't have any beads here at home. I do know how to make beads. Do you know how to make beads? I can show you. Do you want to go with me? Okay, let's go. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to dye pasta to make your very own beads. Okay, for starters, get a Ziploc bag, and I like to put mine in a container so that it can stand upright. We'll put a teaspoon of rubbing alcohol. The rubbing alcohol helps the color mix to all the pieces of pasta. And then a generous amount of food coloring, maybe 3 big squirts. And then a bag of pasta. Seal the bag. And then mix it all around. All the pasta gets covered. Okay, now empty the contents of the bag onto a paper towel lined tray. All right, now that we're done with our pasta, it's time to think about how we want to make our necklace. And I like to think about a pattern that we might use. And a pattern is a repeating decorative design. So here's an example of a pattern. I might choose to do red, green, red, green. What's gonna come next? Red, green, and so on. Maybe this would be our necklace. Or maybe our pattern would be purple, purple, red, purple, purple. What comes next? Red. Maybe that would be your pattern. I wonder which patterns you could think of. To start, you need a piece of string. I have a piece of yarn. You could use string, you could use yarn, you could use ribbon. So to begin with, we're going to tie on one noodle, one piece of pasta here at the bottom for our knot, so that it doesn't slip all the way through. So we go around once, we go around twice, and now we have a knot. So my pattern is going to be green, purple, red. Green, purple, red. Are you thinking about what comes next? Green, purple, red. Green, purple, red. Green. And when we're all finished, we'll make a necklace, just like I have. Okay friends, thanks for joining me today. I'm so glad that you helped me make my pasta necklace for my friend Jean. I think she's really going to like it. And I wonder what you'll decide to do with your pasta beads today. Maybe it will be a fun design. Maybe you'll make a picture of your family with your pasta, or a card for somebody, or a necklace. Whatever it is, I know they're going to love it. I can't wait to see what creativity you come up with today. Bye.